goodness, you guys, it feels good to be back again with another video. Oh my goodness. And especially with this piece. This piece is super duper special to me. Like, I can't, express how special this is. Well, of course I will, because, I'll talk about it. Right here, you see me just taking a picture of the sketch that I drew up. And right beside it is the reference page that I use. I'm gonna put that up here for you guys to see in a second. But oh my goodness, I love this piece, you guys. I made this piece, I think, back in like March or something like that. I'm not sure, but this piece is very inspired by some of my favorite artists, such as Chris Sanders, who is the artist of Lilo and Stitch, Toonbox Studio, who I've been watching his videos for a long time now, and I love the way he draws his girls with like cute little animals and characters like that. And then my last inspiration, which is really just the tropical ocean vibes and just island vibes. Like, that's something that is so near and dear to me. Like, I love the islands, I love the ocean, I love tropical vibes, and just, I don't know, it just makes me so happy. Like, it's just, I think it's because it's something that God created. Like, the ocean is so beautiful, the islands is so beautiful and peaceful. It's somewhere that I love to go to, especially, since being in quarantine, haven't really been able to travel much because of everything that's been going on, and, just really wanting to be there. So, like, the ocean and, like, all of that stuff, I feel like you're gonna see that a lot in my art in the future. Just beautiful tropical island landscapes. I think it's just something that I really, really love. And this piece is, to me, a storytelling type picture. And I think what that means to me basically is just kind of like almost I'm drawing a scene that would be like maybe from a movie or something. And that's what I really want to focus on a lot more with my art, you guys, is just kind of like making storytelling art, instead of just drawing a pretty picture of a girl, which is awesome. Like, I love drawing, just pretty, still cool pictures, but I really want to like practice more with backgrounds and, creating a story, creating something to like, make you think and just make you like, oh my gosh, this looks so cool, just make you like wish it was in an animated film type thing, and hopefully one day my characters get to be animated in some kind of movie of some sort. But I just love this piece. This piece has like so much meaning to me. I've been like holding it back for a minute because I loved it so much. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I just wanted to keep it all to myself. But I really wanted to share it with you guys because I felt like it was time. And I am actually working on some other pieces right now that I think are kind of like this, and I'm just trying to get to practicing backgrounds more and just creating more storytelling poses. So that's why I was ready to share this. And oh my gosh, the reference page. The reference page really helped me a lot with this, you guys. Let me go ahead and pull that up for you guys to see. I have a few pictures and stuff that I put together. I had some Chris Sanders pictures that I put up there that I was inspired by. Or sketches or whatever you call them. But yeah, oh my goodness, like, and then when I started, look at me like drawing the background, you guys, like drawing backgrounds now, like, I think for me, I think I was scared. I was scared to get into backgrounds because I felt like I wasn't good at it. But I was like, you know what? You have to start. You can't be afraid to try something new. Like, you just have to begin, And the beginning is always the hardest. But once you start and you start to see like, wow, okay, I can actually really do this if I set my mind to it, gather up some reference pictures of backgrounds. Because it's crazy. Like, I would always get reference pictures to draw the characters for my characters, but I would never think of getting reference pictures of backgrounds and drawing from them. And that's what I need to start doing more of. So and mountains, you guys, I can't fathom to you how much I love mountains. Like, I did not realize I was such a mountain girl until I met my boyfriend Rocky. Like, he literally introduced me to the mountains, and I was in awe. Like, I thought it was gonna be so country, but I actually loved it so much. Like, it's beautiful. I was in awe of the beauty of the mountains, you guys. Like, I'm sorry, I literally love it so much. Like, going to the mountains is something that I think it has to be a part of my life for like ever. Like, especially with my boyfriend Rocky, like he's my mountain buddy. Like, I wouldn't go to the mountains without him. Like, I love the mountains. Like, that's like our thing. Like, I love going up there to cabins and all that stuff. So mountains, you're gonna see a lot of mountains in my pictures. And so combining the mountains with the island vibes is just, it's everything. And I think another inspiration of mine is definitely Incredibles. And you guys, like, if you watch that movie and look at all the backgrounds and just the scenery is gorgeous. Like, I am in awe every time I watch that movie. Like, I love that movie. It just makes me like feel so many like good vibes just looking at the beautiful tropical island. You know, like when Mr. Incredible goes to that island, y'all, and it's like so luxurious, and the mountains is all green and beautiful, and the ocean is nice and clear and blue. Like, I mean, it makes me so happy. And yeah, you guys, I think this is why this picture, I love it so much, because it's like a combination of like a lot of my favorite things, like inspiration from my favorite artists, the islands, the mountains, the beautiful ocean water. Like, I just love it so much. And I even gave her a little shack, a little like island shack in the back, and that's like her little island house. And yeah, she's like a little surfer girl. I haven't come up with a name for her. We need to give her a name, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you think we should name her. So maybe I'll draw her again. And these are her little bear friend characters. But I feel like I want to draw, I'm going to be just drawing a lot of different characters with these like little bears maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But I just want to have fun with it. But oh my goodness, you guys, I just love this piece so much. It means so much to me. And I just really hope that you guys enjoy watching this speed paint and this drawing. Because I have so much more I can't wait to share with you guys. But yeah, you guys, I'm really happy that we're back with another draw and chill with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys just listen to the music and enjoy the rest of the speed paint. So thanks for watching, you guys. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys another one of the inspirations that I used for this piece was Rawsueshie's piece right here. I think this is probably my favorite piece of his because I just love the ocean and the island vibes. It just, I would have this blown up and put on my wall, really, like this piece. I just love it so much because it just really makes you want to, you know, go to the islands and you just feel like you're on a vacation when you look at it. I just love it so much, such good vibes. So I think that was a really big inspiration for this piece as well. But I just wanted to mention that little piece, you guys. And yeah, I can't wait to share with you guys so much more. So continue to watch, enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you all next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final image. Oh my goodness, you guys, I really, really love this piece. Like, even though I made this like a while back, you know, before, like, you know, I've improved a little bit, but I still love this piece so much. Like the background and the characters and everything, like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. And I can't wait to just continue to apply, like, you know, drawing backgrounds and little like animal characters and just storytelling poses in my future pictures. Like, I really can't wait for that, and that's what I really want to practice on, you know, just making more storytelling images, because, you know, maybe one day I'll have like a little webtoon, I don't know, or just like little comics, I don't know. Don't get your hopes up, you guys. I know like that takes a lot of work, but we'll see. But anyways, you guys, I will see you all on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless us. Bye.